Hello everyone, this is Guruja Sadesna and today we are going to learn Omron PLC operation mode. Before starting my video,
please like, subscribe and share my channel.
In operation mode, three different operation mode. First mode is program mode. In program mode, PLC is a stop. You can create a program and editing and testing the program and transfer to PLC, upload and download. Other mode is a monitor mode. In monitor mode, PLC is running. You can debug program, online editing program. You can system adjustment, online testing. In other mode is a run mode. In run mode, PLC is running. In normal, you can automated operation. You cannot change in run mode any other values. Now let's go to learning on practical. Please open the CX programmer. Now open the CX programmer. In CX programmer, please create a new project. Select the PLC type. PLC CP2E. Click on OK. Here writing some program to better understanding. For incrementer data register D45. I am taking 1 second clock pulse input. Also have incremental data register D55. Now compile this. Recompile. Go to simulation. Work online simulation. Here you can show three different modes: program mode, monitor mode, run mode. Currently we are in monitor mode. First off, we understand program mode. In programming mode, PLC is a not running condition and you can change in the value of data register. You can also editing in program. Also you will upload, download in PLC. Now understand of monitor mode. In monitor mode, PLC is a running condition. You can also change the data register value. And also you have editing, program and debugging. Now understand the run mode. In run mode, PLC is a running condition, but you cannot change any register value. If you want to change, please change the mode in monitor mode. Here you can show also available in transfer, PLC, edit, setting. Here the three different mode also you can change to here: monitor mode, program mode. Here you can also change in setup mode: program mode, monitor mode, run mode. Now finish this lecture. See you in next lecture.
Please like, Subscribe and share my channel.